So this is an extra TikTok video, and one I really did not want to do. As we were driving back from Wales in the Mrs. Vauxhall Crossland, the blower for the heating system stopped working. It was the hottest day of the year so far, I believe, nearly 30 degrees, and we had no blower, so we couldn't blow cold air into the car. It got hotter and hotter. Anyway, let's get to fault finding this problem. So the most probable cause of this failure is what they call the blower resistor. So just zoom out a bit. This is the glove box in the passenger side. And the first thing I've done is I've dropped the underneath cover off, which is this cover here. It's easy enough to do. Just put a little screwdriver in that slot there. And prise the middle out. And then once you've done it on all three, 1, 2, 3, as they are, you should just be able to pull that down. Once that's out of the way, you then need to take the side cover off. And there are two little clips, one there and one slightly further up, which you need to just basically pull out. One where my thumb is and one down there in the middle of the screen. And once you've got that out, you should be able to pull it from the bottom out. Once that is out, it's really quite a pig to get to. The first suggestion is check the wiring here, make sure it's not burnt. This is a newish car, so it's not going to be that. And then right up there, right, to get that connector off, you need to have about 3 hands. You need to push that clip in and that clip in, and once you've pushed those 2 clips in, you should be able to pull it out. I had to use both hands and you can't see what you're doing. Once that's off, the suggestion is to bridge between the 2 big wires on the outside with a fuse. I've chose a 30 amp fuse, which is there. I've got 2 little wires, and once you've bridged between those 2 wires, turn the ignition back on and the blower should come on full. If it does, it is going to be the resistor, and that resistor is right up underneath that connector, which is what you see. I'm going to try and get you a better picture of where this item is. There's the 2 pipes going up, and there it is there. Focus please, camera. Okay, so we need to remove that item there. That is the unit there, and that's what I've pulled the plug off. And you see this screw there in the middle of the picture. That is what you need to undo to get the resistor block out. So just to explain this a bit better as to how you get this thing out, there's a screw in this little bit here. Once you've undone it, this bracket actually pulls out, and then that is free to wiggle out the place, out the hole. And then you should be able to just refit a new one, get that bracket back on, hold it in place. I'm guessing it latches in that front bit first, and that is a T20 torque fitting.